Handle borax with gloves and caution when preparing homemade ant killer to prevent skin irritation and accidental ingestion. Borax is a mineral salt that works by disrupting insect digestion and should be mixed carefully into baits at low concentration to avoid harm to people and pets. Use a ratio of about 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of sweet bait, such as sugar, water, or syrup when targeting ants, and always prepare small batches that you will dispose of after a few days to maintain potency and reduce exposure. Work in a well-ventilated area and pour powders slowly from a sealed container to minimize airborne dust. If you must measure powdered material, place a folded paper beneath your container to catch spills and transfer with a clean spoon. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection, and keep the bowl and tools used for bait preparation separate from food utensils. Clean them with hot, soapy water after you finish and wash your hands thoroughly, even if you wore gloves. Place bait in shallow, stable containers that ants can access but children and pets cannot reach, such as under baseboards, behind appliances, or inside small drilled holes in bait stations. Label the containers clearly and remove them once activity stops. If a household member has respiratory sensitivity, consider using pre-made bait stations placed outside the home rather than making loose baits indoors, and always store borax in its original container out of reach of children and animals. Common mistakes include using too strong a borax concentration which kills ants before they return to the colony, so stick to low concentrations mixed with attractive bait. Another frequent issue is placing bait where pets or children can access it, so use secured bait stations or hide placements and remove them when no longer needed. A third concern is accidental inhalation or eye contact from handling powder, so pour slowly, wear eye protection and a mask if dust is likely, and rinse immediately with water if contact occurs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides community discussions where we share experiences and advice on DIY projects, including safe pest control. We help contractors find work by allowing them to present services and join conversations so homeowners and pros can learn from each other.